Happy high vibrations. Go, go. Get him home, Timber. You get him home. That a girl. That's a girl. You get him home. Bring him home. Bring him home, Timber. That's a girl. Bring him home. Go get him. Bring him home. Send 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 him home. Good girl. Send him home. Send him home. Send him home. Send him home. Good girl. Go. 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 Get. Good girl. Let's go. Atta girl. You get him home. You send him home. You send him home. Good girl. You send him home. You send him home. You send him home. Good girl. These pigs think they can walk around this property anywhere they want to, anytime they want to. Electric fence is not working, not giving a good charge, saying that it's working, but they're not feeling it. And today I've had to be very, very, very aggressive with these pigs. Go! Especially Big Bad Butch. Likes to stand his ground until he gets a little whack on the nose. Let's go, Timber. Hey, there you are. You're missing all the excitement. Been doing this all day. Son just got home from school. Just got off the bus. And these pigs think they can make a mess. They found where I store the goats' food. And they just totally ransacked the straw, the bins, everything. Let's go, Timber. Your work's not done. Get him home. Put him inside. Put him inside, girl. That's a girl. That's a good girl. You put him inside. At least my little girl Timber is getting in some work. And she's going to turn out to be a good dog. Good catch dog. Butch is in. Well, I'm not feeding them every time they come out. And then they're just going to come out because they know they're going to get food. So they're going to stay in, and I'll have to keep this up until dark. And then they're going to want to stay in, and I guess I'm going to have to knock some trees down and build a corral. That way they can at least stay inside somewhat. But look at that. If I go there's touching the fence, they have no respect for it. It's obviously not giving off too much of a charge. Well, I'm going to say goodbye. Happy high vibrations. May your mind, body, and souls work as one whole part. And, you know, some support, some well wishes, some good vibrations, some purchases, some financial donations. Makes it happen. Thanks for watching, everybody. So you really want to be a homesteader? You really want to craft your own food? Keep watching our videos. Good or bad, happy or sad, we post them all. And then you decide if homesteading is for you.